This 2014 Winnebago View Profile 24G is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, skylight, refrigerator, DVD player, water heater, slide-out, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2014 Winnebago View Profile 24G is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.